Guymon, Oklahoma, the wind comes streaming down the plain. You can't smell the wheat 'cause the feedlots stink right behind the rain. Hawks make lazy circles beneath Morse code clouds. We've all crossed some lines we don't brag about. Billy Bob was down from Burwell, rode rough stock. Angie was a boilin' EF4, looking for a trailer park. Both were born of that Delphic place where darkness dwells. Someone said they found him dead at the Super 8 motel. To grow winter wheat, corn, and sorghum, they plowed the prairie down. If you're looking for fresh air, you won't find it in this town. Angie left Guymon that night, only stopped for gas and smokes. Watch the sun rise beneath the amber skies of the Edwards Plateau. On the Oklahoma panhandle, they talk of the dry line, where air from the desert southwest and Gulf of Mexico collides. Births tornadoes from those Morse code clouds. We've all crossed some lines we don't brag about. Yeah, we've all crossed some lines